Hey everybody, just wanted to give a quick update on the whole mess with GoGun and the AR-6 Stinger. Wanted to mention that I ordered a nice traditional horse bow, takedown bow from Mandarin Duck after seeing Survival Lily's awesome video about it, thought I'd give it a try. And I ordered it on August 18th. And it came all the way from China and arrived yesterday on the 30th. So that's how long it took something to get here for Mandarin Duck, all the way from China. And I still don't have the GoGun parts for my AR-6 Stinger that were promised back in April. And sent them back out sometime last fall or winter? I mean, losing track of how much time it's even taken, but it's been, let's see, I ordered the Stinger back in May of last year. Wow, that's like a year and almost 4 months, and still no Stinger, so. Interesting that Mandarin Duck can get something here in, you know, a little over a week. And GoGun has been jerking me around now for over a year. It's pretty amazing the difference in fucking customer service and companies, you know, having their shit together, huh? I just logged into my other email here to check for more on communications with GoGun, and there's been nothing since 5 days ago, where this new guy, Jay Sharf, says he's gonna personally take care of my request and send me a completely new lower part, which should have happened last year. Says it'll be handed over to DHL tomorrow, but I still haven't gotten an email with a tracking number, and that was 5 days ago, so I don't really have my hopes up. I sent an email back asking, of course, about the return shipping that I paid. I think it was $61.75 to get the parts back over to Germany, and there has been absolutely zero response about that, so still out the money on the GoGun and $61.75 to return the broken parts. So wow, there's a canyon of difference here between the service I've gotten with GoGun versus Mandarin Duck and other companies overseas. Wow, GoGun really has a lot to make up here. It doesn't seem like they're going to. We'll see, but I really don't have my hopes up. Okay, we have a actual, maybe promising update on the Steambow Stinger compact crossbow that I ordered back in May of 2020 as the pandemic was hitting. Steambow has noticed one of the videos about it and actually contacted me through YouTube in the comments section to contact them directly, which I ended up doing, and got a much faster response than I ever did with GoGun. Yeah, their email here says that they're going to send me the necessary parts, as well as a Stinger 2 Tactical, which would be absolutely killer. From the videos I've seen, that would be really fun to review a Stinger 2 Tactical. So far, Steambow, the actual makers, I believe, of the crossbow, are stepping in here and doing something about the whole GoGun ordeal, and we'll see what happens, but this is a lot more promising than GoGun, who still hasn't responded to my email about the return shipping costs or anything, but I mean, we'll see if Steambow can make all this right here. Yeah. Hopefully, next video about this will actually involve a review without anything breaking or being missing or anything. Alright, later. I mean, one of these to review would absolutely be fabulous. Yeah. Seriously. I can get down with that. I mean, looks like you can put a optional scope and a red dot sight, laser sight on these. And that would be very interesting for deer hunting, I believe, up in these parts here. So, yes.